In this video, let us understand how to make police promotion and transfer system. So it's a web application project. So we show the demo in ASP.NET with C# language backend as SQL Server. This video is very useful for all computer science students who wish to do a project as per the curriculum. And if you're looking for a different title, so this is the one such title. So in our channel we have many other titles too. Please check our channel. And here we particularly talk about promotion system. So from different levels, how do we do this? And when the transfer takes place, how do we transfer the police personnel one station to other station? All this will be covered in this video. So here you can see that from the lower rank to higher rank is there. So we'll have options here in the website to promote each person when there is a promotion occurs, and also in case necessary we can also do the transfer. So it's a good project because it's for the department, particularly for the police department. So we can learn here how to do this in future. Like if you wish to work in that particular department, it's very useful. Now let's understand what are the options we need to provide in this particular project. So as the name suggests, it is a promotion and the transfer. So transfer has to taken place between the stations or offices. Station. So therefore in order to manage everything, there is admin module. So in the admin module you can have a station detail. You can have employee details. Then you can do the promotion. Then you can do the transfer. So now in the station, so they should know like who will come or who will go out of the station. So the station employee can log in here. They can able to see the transfer list, promotion list. Apart from this, some regular activities we can add up into the station. That I'll show you what are the other options are available in this project. So therefore basically two modules, one is the admin module and the other one is the station module. So in case of admin, so these are the options we can provide. So one is area names, what are the areas covers and the corresponding list, station detail, corresponding list, qualification and designation. This is important to make the promotion, therefore we'll enter these detail, and we can also see the list here. Staff or employee details we need to enter and the corresponding list. So when there is a transfer, we can enter the transfer details here and we can see the list. And there is a promotion, we can do the promotion and corresponding list will be shown here. So when employee log into the station module, so here you can see all the station list, what are the stations are there, station staff list, who are all the members, transfer list, any transfer take place, that list will be. So admin do the transfer, but here you can see the list. Promotion list, if there is any promotion, that list. And these two extra options are provided here, so they can enter all the criminal entries here, and they can also see the list here. So these are the options which are provided in the station module. So if you're looking for any projects, please contact us. Now I'll show the demo. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and also you can right click on this IBLX tutorials, go to open new tab. So if you click videos, here you can see that many project related videos. So therefore if you're looking for a different title, so we have more than 500 titles here. So therefore choose which title is suitable for you and understand what are the things you can do in this, and then you can do this project. As I said already, it may be in PHP or in Java or in Python. So a lot of options are very much open, and also you can learn like how to make documents like DFT, AI diagram, how to prepare your synopsis. So project related lot of informations. Not only that, and also for your job we are provided Viva questions, interview questions. So a lot of things are there. When you have free time, please browse this. Now I'll move to this Visual Studio. So here we have the project, that is a police transfer and promotion system. On the other side we have a server explorer. Here you can see that connection string, and here are the tables. So these are the tables. Now let's run the project. So in order to run this, you have to click on IIS Express. So now here you can see that there is one admin login and the station login, two modules. First we go to admin login. So here you can log in with admin credentials. And if you give the wrong, then it should tell me like user ID password not correct. So we have separate videos like how you can make the login pages. Please watch them. So here is the area name and corresponding list. Station list, what other stations are there, that list will be there here. Then this is the qualification list. Designations, inspector, assistant inspector. So you need to enter all the designations in the department. So only 2 is entered now, so but you have to enter all the data. Then the staff, so overall the staff members, that list has to come. So here you can enter the staff details. Right. So once you enter, that list has to come here. So I'll just check it out what is the problem. So here you can see that this is the database, tables, and this is the employee table. So here is a station code, and correspondingly it's supposed to be station code here, but it is a branch code. So let me change to station code, and we need to change everywhere, okay, not only in one place, wherever it is there. So you have to change everywhere. And now save this. Now if you come back and refresh the page, then it works. Right. So here you can see the employee list. So next one is transfer list. If any transfer take place, transfer list, and the promotion list. Right. Now what we can do is we can go to transfer entry. So here whom we want to transfer, we have only employee 1. Okay, let's create one more employee. So here is MP2, name Raju, address. So now presently he is into Rajanagar. So mobile number. So I'll enter some dummy data. So he is assistant inspector, save. Now you want to promote them as to inspector. So therefore we go there here. So employee 2, check. The details will come here. So then the order number, order details, promoted to inspector. Okay, so here you can change to inspector. Save. Okay. Okay, now you can see promotion list. So here you can see inspector. I'll copy the main address. I'll take to one more tab. Enter. Now station login. So here you need to give the employee code. Okay, so let's give us employee 1. Right, so all station list, which other stations are there here, and transfer list, if any transfer it should show here, and promotion list. So you can see that there is a new promotion here from assistant inspector to inspector. So order and all this. So therefore station people come to know overall promoted, overall transferred, everything they can come to know, and even they can enter all the details of any criminals in that particular station. So these are the things which are provided here. 2 modules, one is admin module, the other one is a station module. So this is how we can do the police transfer and the promotion at the entry level. But as you go to the promotion level, you can add a lot of other things too. So cross verification, checkings and all these things. But for entry level, I think you'll do the job. So understand this concept and then try to do this. For more details, again, you go back to our channel. So there you can find a lot of other videos too. So please subscribe, and then when you have time, please come back and check it out other videos. Thank you very much.